In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit money into your Robinhood account. Whether you're new to investing or just want a refresher, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process, making it simple and straightforward. By the end, you'll feel confident transferring funds, so you can start trading or investing right away. Let's begin by opening the Robinhood app on your mobile device, or if you prefer using your computer, head to the Robinhood website. Once the app or website is open, log in using your credentials. Take a moment to double check that you're entering the correct information to keep your account secure. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Next, you'll need to navigate to your account settings. On the mobile app, look towards the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see the account icon, which usually looks like a little person or silhouette. If you're using the website, the account icon will be up at the top right corner. Go ahead and tap or click on that icon to access your account area. Once you're inside your account section, find and select the option labeled Transfers. This is where you manage moving money in and out of Robinhood. You'll see a few transfer-related options here, but the one we're interested in is Deposit to Robinhood. Select this option to move on to the deposit process. Now, it's time to choose the bank account you want to use for this transfer. If you've already linked a bank account to your Robinhood profile, you'll see it appear on this screen. Select the bank account you'd like the money to come from. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, Robinhood will prompt you to add one. Just follow the on-screen instructions. It usually involves selecting your bank, securely logging in, and verifying your account. This step may take a moment, but it's a one-time setup for future convenience. With your bank account now chosen, enter the amount of money you wish to deposit into Robinhood. Make sure you double-check the amount, especially if you have specific investment plans in mind. Entering the correct amount ensures your deposit meets your goals and avoids any complications. Finally, after reviewing all the details, submit your deposit by tapping or clicking the Submit button. You might see a confirmation screen. Read it over to make sure everything looks correct. Robinhood typically provides an estimated time for when your funds will be available, so keep an eye out for that notice. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully deposited money into your Robinhood account. With these funds, you're ready to start trading or investing, so explore the platform and make the most of your financial opportunities. Thanks for watching and happy investing.